Jamaican dies in Cayman car crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. On Christmas Day, many family and loved ones gather in joy, but a day later, the Jacket family found themselves mourning the heartbreaking loss of Romario Jacket, affectionately known as Mari, who tragically lost his life in a motor vehicle accident in the Cayman Islands on Boxing Day. Romario was said to be driving a Subaru sedan on Boxing morning on the Shamrock Road near the junction of Midway Close in the Lower Valley area of Baden Town. The collision happened around 2:20 a.m. in the morning. When the police and other emergency services responded to the report of a serious single vehicle collision, the Subaru had been traveling eastbound when it left the lane and smashed into a tree. The father said that he was the one that helped him to be in Cayman, and now he has lost his life. Romario, who is aged 26 years old, had been living in the Cayman Islands for 2.5 years, where he worked at the airport and was cherished by his colleagues. The accident occurred as Romario was returning home from a staff party. According to his father, Romario had not been drinking. His boss told me he wasn't drinking because he was scheduled to work the next day. 3 people inside the motor car were taken to the Cayman Islands hospital by ambulance, and another was taken in a private vehicle. One of the men was pronounced dead, while the other 3 remained in hospital being treated for what appears to be serious injuries. The latest road deaths bring the death toll for Cayman for 2024 to 13 people, 3 of which happened in December. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.